From the classic reprint series, The Secret Instructions of the Jesuits. Reviser's Preface or Preface. This edition of the Monita Secreta or Secret Instructions of the Jesuits is a revision of a translation published in London in the year 1723 by John Waltho. In addition to this, there are the 4 oaths or vows which must be taken by all members of the order. These form the 3rd and 4th chapters of the 5th part of the Constitutions of the Jesuits and are copied from a translation published by Messrs. Rivingtons in 1838. To these are added the Oath of Secrecy, administered by the Jesuits in 1860, copied from a contemporary pamphlet, and the Indulgence sold in Germany by the notorious Tetzel to raise money for the rebuilding of St. Peter's at Rome. The original document from which this is copied may be seen at the British Museum. Preface. The supervisors must carefully preserve these private instructions and keep them in their own possession, and communicate them only to a few of the professed, and they may teach some of them to the non-professed, when they may without doubt be used with great advantage to the society, and that only under the seal of silence, not indeed as written by another, but as deduced from the experience of him who tells it. And since many of the professed are aware of these secrets, therefore the society from its beginning has been careful that no one who is aware of them should be able to join any other religious order except the Carthusians, because of their perpetual seclusion and their inviolable silence, which also the Holy See has confirmed. The greatest possible care must be taken that these instructions do not fall into the hands of strangers, because being envious of us, they may interpret them with a sinister purpose. But if this should happen, which God forbid, let it be denied that these are the principles of the society, and let such denial be confirmed by those of our members whom we are sure know nothing of them, and let them set in contrast to these our general instructions and ordinances, printed or written. Also, let the superiors carefully and cautiously inquire whether these instructions have been made known to any stranger, and let no one transcribe them, either for himself or for another, or allow them to be transcribed unless with the consent of the general or provincial. And if there be any doubt concerning anyone as to his preserving so great secrets of the society, let the contrary be told him, and let him be dismissed.